I think all of us share a certain excitement at seeing so many young people interested in STEM. And I think that a lot of the smart young kids here are really building their resume. And I think that days like this or events like this can really drive that home and support these young people.
Well, I think Energy Day is a pretty cool thing. It's really interesting to just look around and see all the different companies that are involved with energy and how it's going to impact our future.
One of the coolest things so far today is just seeing all the different students in their robotics projects and seeing the passion that they have for what they're doing.
When it's an open event like this that is free, I believe that parents should come out and bring their children to learn something new.
What I found interesting here at Energy Day is the plethora of exhibitors. It's just nice to see all of Colorado's energy players in one place.
Coming back to Energy Day will be definitely on the top of our list because it's fun, it's community-oriented for the Denver community and Colorado in general, but it's just a great way to get outside and enjoy the Colorado air and talk education around energy.